What's going on? It's Scott here, and we are working on some Shimano Alivio trigger shifters. So, as you can see, they don't really shift at all. Like sometimes I can get it to go to 6, but not really there. And that's for the rear derailleur. The front derailleur goes from 1 to 2. It doesn't go into 3. So to fix this, we're gonna have to clean out the old grease. And to do this, you're gonna need a 10mm wrench or socket, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and then some WD-40, and then some kind of lubricant. Use your favorite lubricant. I'm just using chain lube because that's what I have. So same process. We got the 10mm bolt and the 2 screws. Let's take 10mm bolt off. Alright, so we got the bolt out. Now we need the 2 screws out. A little bit loose. Okay, the screws are loose. Just gotta, I don't know why this, it's like acting like this is holding it together. Okay, so for whatever reason that was like holding this side together, but it wasn't holding that side together. But okay, so we got this off, and now you gotta turn that to the side, and then this whole mechanism comes out. As you can see, there's a ton of nasty old grease in there, like looks like peanut butter. It's got that peanut butter grease in there. I'm just gonna take a Q-tip, get rid of all the peanut butter. Okay, so as you can see, so the pawl we're looking at is right here, and there we go. It's like not even moving, so that is really seized. It's got the nasty gunky grease in there. So yeah, that took an exceptionally long amount of time to come down. So the same thing with the WD-40. Spray that. Pretty much just give the whole mechanism a soak. Focusing on that pawl. So it's nice and soaked. Now we can start working our little paw. So it's starting to free up. Yeah, so that's nice and freed up now. I'd say I'm gonna like hold it back and then spray some in there. There we go. It's nice and freed up. So I'm gonna wipe off all the excess grease and grime. So the silver part goes to the top of this, and then there's a little trigger in there. There you go. Got that in there. Okay, so I guess on the side, for whatever reason, this part screws in and out, and it needs to be unscrewed for when you do this. Like wiggle it together, sort of, just making sure you don't break anything. There we go. So we got that in there. Got that in there. Just gonna put the 2 screws in. One, two. Screws it in. And then this little piece goes in here. So that's in there. See how she works now. So 2, 3, 2, 1. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. And you saw earlier we couldn't even get it into the 3rd position, so this is impressive. So we got that all ungunked, and then now we gotta lubricate it with our lubricant. And just spray that in this little opening here. Ooh. Yeah, that was a lot. So now we can work in the lube, and it's super smooth now. Goes 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. We got our shifters completely fixed. So that is how you fix Shimano Alivio shifters that are stuck and gunked up, and I hope this helps.